Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're turning our attention to a true legend in the motocross world, the 2026 Yamaha YZ 125. Known for its lightweight agility, razor-sharp handling, and thrilling two-stroke performance, the YZ 125 has long been the go-to machine for aspiring racers and seasoned riders alike. The 2026 model takes everything fans love and elevates it with sharper design, improved components, and enhanced rideability. Let's take a closer look at what's new and why the latest YZ 125 is more compelling than ever. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Yamaha YZ 125 arrives with a refreshed, race-focused exterior that mirrors Yamaha's factory motocross styling. The bike features redesigned shrouds for improved airflow, a slimmer body profile, and updated graphics for a more aggressive track-ready look. The new seat design and sleeker plastics improve rider movement while maintaining the lightweight feel the YZ is known for. With updated color options and a more athletic stance, the 2026 YZ 125 brings modern style to the classic two-stroke silhouette. Performance and powertrain. Under the seat, the 2026 YZ 125 continues to deliver the iconic punch of its 125C two-stroke engine, now refined for smoother power delivery and improved throttle response. Yamaha has fine-tuned the carburation and exhaust system for better low-end torque and stronger mid-range pull. The suspension receives revised settings for increased stability during jumps and cornering, while the lightweight chassis provides excellent control on technical tracks. The overall package results in a more responsive and competitive motocross machine. Safety and technology. Yamaha has focused on rider control and comfort with subtle yet meaningful updates. The 2026 model includes improved braking, components for better stopping power, and a more predictable feel. The ergonomics have been revised with new grip patterns and handlebar positioning for enhanced comfort during long motos. While the YZ 125 stays true to its mechanical simplicity, the refinements in rider feedback, stability, and suspension tuning make it feel more advanced and race-ready than ever. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha YZ 125 continues to stand as a benchmark in the two-stroke motocross category thanks to its blend of agility, power, and rider-focused updates. Whether you're training for competition or hitting your favorite local track, the new YZ 125 is built to help riders push their limits. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more motorcycle news, reviews, and first looks at the machines that matter most.